वो सभी डिलीट किए जाए। हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे लोगों के साथ कोऑपरेट किया जाए। ये गवर्नमेंट है ये हमारे लोगों के साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बंद करे, और नहीं तो हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एजिटेशन करेंगे, वर्ल्ड वाइड पे हम एजिटेशन करेंगे। और हम हायर अथॉरिटी है, कोर्ट है, उससे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि ये हमारे लोगों पे जो जुल्म हो रहे हैं उसको बंद किया जाए। आप सभी साथियों का धन्यवाद जो ये प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं। नमो बुद्धा, जय भीम, जय भारत।
Yeah. Jai Bhim. My name is Anil Wagde. I am from Atlanta, USA currently. In solidarity with Dr. Anand Teltumbde, I would like to say a few words. Ramabai Ambedkar, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's wife, wanted to go to Pandharpur, or so the story goes. And Babasaheb said that we'll create our own pilgrimage places. And he succeeded in doing that by creating Diksha Bhumi in Nagpur, Bhima Koregaon, and these are our places that are now the Spurti Sthans for us. And these are the places these Brahmanical forces are trying to destroy. Sedition is a British era law. We are Indian citizens by birth. We do not want to go out of this country. So obviously sedition is out of question. Where will we go? However, this British era law is being used or misused against so-called urban Nakshals, which we condemn vociferously. Culprits like Bhide and others who are not yet interrogated, who are going scot-free, they are the real culprits for Bhima Koregaon violence. We stand with Dr. Anand Teltumbde, Gautam Naulakha, Mrs. Bharadwaj and others and demand they be freed immediately. Jai Bhim.
Able to see me?
Yeah, perfect.
Hey, first of all, Jai Bhim, and thanks everyone for coming at this juncture and standing in solidarity for Dr. Anand Teltumbde and 10 others who have been falsely accused. I know just a brief about Dr. Anand Teltumbde. I have known him for, I think, over 20 years maybe now. And the way I remember him is a very cool, calm, patient person, always ready to hear you, always ready to help underprivileged, always coming up with different thoughts about how we can help our people in atrocious situations and other ways as well. His writings, his readings were very well known, and I personally feel very, very disturbed and think that the way he is being treated right now is really something that no one can stand. And at least for a person at his juncture, it's really very sad. I've written few lines. I'll just read them so that all of us are standing in solidarity. It's really very sad and disheartening moment that we are standing to condemn and protest against false accusations and inhuman treatment of Dr. Anand Teltumbde and 10 other highly intellectual Indians. Dr. Anand Teltumbde and other accused are intellectually acclaimed not only in their academic fields but also towards contribution in safeguarding human rights of the underprivileged. They have dedicated their lives in struggle towards fighting discrimination and atrocities. All this while keeping their stature in academics and profession very high. Instead of acknowledging their contribution in professional and personal fields, they have been falsely framed and arrested. At this time of calamity, where the real need is in the civil society as true COVID warriors, but sadly are put behind bars, rotting in the jails, and have been deprived of even a decent family life. I demand immediate release of Dr. Anand Teltumbde and 10 other human rights activists who are falsely arrested in the pretext of anti-national activities. Thank you, Jai Bhim.
Thanks, Santosh.
Thank you, Santosh. Anyone wants to go next?
Hi, can I go next? I'm Rashmi Teltumbde.
Okay, Rashmi, let me make you the spotlight. Let me see your.
Okay, yeah. I'll turn on my video as well.
Okay, just a second. Yeah, now we can hear you and we can see you.
Great.
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, Jai Bhim, everyone. I'm sorry that my mother had to leave. She's not been well recently, so she just had to push off a little early. But I really want to thank everyone for holding this conference and everything, and just want to point out about the trying times that uh, we as a family are going through, his supporters, his friends are going through at this time with all that is happening, these arrests, the, the COVID situation. And it's not just about him and the BK11, it is happening all over India with numerous students and anyone who pretty much speaks against the government. Keeping this aside, the government is also being very vindictive in its ways, how they're rejecting bail applications on COVID grounds. They're keeping UAPA prisoners out of most of the COVID bail rights. They're encroaching upon the right to life. So, keeping all of this in mind, we do value your support, your strength that you have given us through this conference, through your voices, and yeah, just very, very grateful to everyone for doing this. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashmi, and definitely we are with you and with your family. Basically, we are all the family here together, and we'll fight for the right. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Exactly, Rashmi. Here, this one, I really wanted to say that we are not fighting for just your dad. We are fighting for the real justice. So this is our, responsibility to do so. So don't feel that it is any, sacrifice that we are doing. We're supposed to do this. So thank you for coming into the call.
Yeah, pleasure. Thank you.
See you, and we can hear you also.
Okay. My name is Chaitanya Devarkar, and I'm a member of the Ambedkar King Study Circle in San Francisco, California. It is neither shocking and not even surprising that one of the few accomplishments of the current casteist Brahminical hierarchy has been the suppression of thought and the oppression of minorities and anyone who would stand up for them. One can hardly expect the current Brahminical hierarchy, which is in power, to have any notion of basic human decency or justice, but one hopes that they would at least try to put up a pretense of doing things somewhat legally. With this in mind, I demand the immediate release of Dr. Anand Teltumbde and 10 other human rights activists that have been arrested by this government. And I also demand the investigation of the real casteist Hindutva criminals, Sambhaji Bhide, Milind Ekbote, Amit Shah, and Narendra Modi, and their lackeys in the casteism-ridden Supreme Court and the administrative and police services. Thank you.
Right. So I think I just want to say that Dr. Teltumbde's arrest was unlawful. All the work which we have been doing for the 1st January issue has to be taken forward, and we should condemn the way government has been acting on this.
Dr. Saib, please go ahead. I will make you the spotlight.
To all. I am on the behalf of Ambedkar International Coordination Society, condemn the arrest of the Dr. Teltumbde, and we demand from the government to release him. So इसलिए हम भी एस की तरफ से और पंजाब की एम्स की तरफ से अम्बेडकर मिशन सोसाइटी जलंधर की तरफ से मैं उनके एग्जीक्यूटिव के तौर पे ये मांग करता हूं कि डॉक्टर तेलतुंबड़े को रिहा किया जाए और जो 10 एक्टिविस्ट हैं हमारे जो ह्यूमन राइट्स के लिए लड़ रहे हैं और जो बीमा कोरेगांव कॉन्स्पिरेसी के तहत अरेस्ट किए गए उनको रिलीज किया जाए क्योंकि ये अनलीगल है, अनएथिकल है और जो कल्प्रिट है, जो एक्चुअल कल्प्रिट दे शुड बी पेनलाइज्ड. सो यही रिक्वेस्ट है मेरी हम अम्बेडकर राइट्स से भी कि सभी यूनाइटेड होके एक मंच पे आके डॉक्टर तेलतुंबड़े के लिए रिहाई के लिए रिक्वेस्ट डिमांड रखें और प्रोटेस्ट करें, तभी हमें जस्टिस मिलने की उम्मीद रहेगी. क्योंकि अगर हम सेक्रेट रहेंगे, बटे रहेंगे तो इससे पॉसिबल नहीं रहे. हमारा पूरा पंजाब की तरफ से अम्बेडकर राइट्स इंटरनेशनल कोऑर्डिनेशन सोसाइटी कनाडा और पंजाब यूनिट की तरफ से हम आपके साथ हैं। जो भी हमारे तरफ से भी जो सहयोग, जो एजुकेशन हम यकीन इसका आपको यकीन दिलाते हैं कि हमारा साथ आपके साथ है, तो हम भी आपके प्रोटेस्ट में शामिल रहेंगे। तो जय भीम, नमो बुद्धाय।
थोड़ा पंजाबी में बोलेंगे डॉक्टर साहब, 1 मिनट।
पंजाबी च जी मैं ये कहांगा सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ कि ਜਿਹੜੇ भी सुन रहे ने इस प्रोग्राम ਨੂੰ कि डॉक्टर तेल तुंबड़े ਨੂੰ जो अरेस्ट किया गया आ वो बहुत एक अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है, संविधानक गैर संविधानक या संविधानक रूप ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ नहीं है। जो सही कल्प्रिट ਸੀਗੇ उस भीमा गोरेगांव जो ਹੋਈ ਸੀ इंसीडेंट एक्सीडेंट होया, मिसहैप होया, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਤੇਲ ਤੁੰਬੜੇ ਨੂੰ ਗਲਤ ਫਸਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਹੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਐਕਚੁਅਲ ਕਲਪ੍ਰਿਟ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਰੈਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ, ਨਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ 10 ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਐਕਟਿਵਿਸਟ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਰਾਈਟਸ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੰਨਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਲੀਡ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ। ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਹ ਪੂਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਦੀ ਅੰਬੇਡਕਰ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟਿਵ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਦੇ ਵਜੋਂ, ਅੰਬੇਡਕਰ ਰਾਈਟਸ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਕੋਆਰਡੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਦੇ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਵਜੋਂ ਇਹ ਮੰਗ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਕਿ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਆਨੰਦ ਤੇਲ ਤੁੰਬੜੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਲਦੀ ਤੋਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜੋ ਅਨਜਸਟ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਉਹ ਗਲਤ ਆ। ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਆ, ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਚੱਕਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਸ ਮੰਚ ਤੋਂ। ਸੋ ਜੈ ਭੀਮ, ਜੈ ਭਾਰਤ, ਨਮੋ बुद्धाय।
थैंक यू डॉक्टर।
इंद्रजीत जी आपका बहुत बहुत अर्चना जी, you are there, yeah, please go ahead.
Jai Bhim, I am Archana Kodeswar. I am a PhD student from Georgia Institute of Technology in Atlanta, Georgia, USA. I want to record my video message as follows. I demand immediate release of Dr. Anand Tel Tumbre. His arrest and harassment is against human rights and freedom of speech. Thank you.
Thanks, Archana. Jai Shri.
Jai Bhim. My name is Jayashree Kamble. I'm from Mumbai and Pune and New York. I'm a professor of English, and I'm here today to demand the immediate release of Dr. Anand Tel Tumbre and other human rights activists who have been falsely arrested under the pretext of anti-national activities. Don't suppress the voice of the oppressed using the COVID-19 lockdown. Expedite the investigation into the real Hindutva culprits such as Sanjay Bhide and Milind Ekbote. The world is watching India deteriorate further into the morass of outright fascism. What country are you building by destroying those who want it to be better for all its citizens? Thank you.
So, 16 मेरा नाम आनंद बाली, मैं कैनेडा तो टोरंटो तो बोल रहा, represent करदा अंबेडकर मिशन टोरंटो and अंबेडकर राइट इंटरनेशनल कोऑर्डिनेशन सोसाइटी ऑफ कैनेडा। 16 ਮਈ 1951 ਨੂੰ ਬਾਬਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਅੰਬੇਡਕਰ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰਗਤੀਵਾਦੀ ਐ ਰੈਡੀਕਲ ਹਨ। ਡਾਕਟਰ ਆਨੰਦ ਤੇਲ ਤੁੰਬੜੇ ਇੱਕ ਜਾਣੇ ਪਛਾਣੇ ਵਿਦਵਾਨ ਅਤੇ ਲੇਖਕ ਹਨ। ਹਰ ਅੰਬੇਡਕਰਾਈਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰੈਸਿਵ ਰੈਡੀਕਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਤੇਲ ਤੁੰਬੜੇ ਅਜਿਹੇ ਹਨ ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਗਲਤ ਹੈ? ਉਹ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨਾਲ ਬੇਵਫਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਔਰ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਡਿਸਲੋਇਲਟੀ ਕਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਖਾਈ। ਉਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਦੱਬੇ ਕੁਚਲੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਨੁੱਖਤਾ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਤੇ ਲਿਖਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਗੁਨਾਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਮੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਤੇਲ ਤੁੰਬੜੇ ਨੂੰ ਜੇਲ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਮੁਕਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਥੀ ਜੇਲ੍ਹ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਲਦੀ ਤੋਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਅਗਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਅੰਬੇਡਕਰਾਈਟ ਇੱਕ ਜ਼ਬਰਦਸਤ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਦਾ ਆਗਾਜ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਭਾਰਤ ਗੌਰਮੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਚੈਲੰਜ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਮਾਂਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਥੀ ਜਲਦੀ ਤੋਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਣ। ਜੈ ਭੀਮ, ਨਮੋ ਬੁੱਧਾ, ਜੈ ਭਾਰਤ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
Thank you, Anand ji. Thank you. Aapka.
Hi, I am Prashant Nema from Seattle, Washington. I demand immediate release of Dr. Anand Tel Tumbre and 10 other human rights activists. Expedite the investigation on real Hindutva culprits such as Bhide and Milind Ekbote. Jai Bhim.
Jai Bhim, Prashant.
Jai Bhim, everybody. I'm Dr. Balamurali Natarajan, Professor of Anthropology in New Jersey, USA. As part of India Civil Watch USA, We condemn the imprisonment of Dr. Anand Teltumbde and Gautam Navlakha on April 14, 2020. We also continue to condemn the arrest of 9 others in the same fabricated Bhima Koregaon case: Surendra Gadling, Arun Ferreira, Vernon Gonzalez, Mahesh Raut, Sudha Bharadwaj, Shoma Sen, Sudhir Dhavale, Rona Wilson, and Varvara Rao. We further condemn the most recent spate of arrests of students such as Safura Sargar, Devangana Kalita, and Natasha Narwal. This national shame has now also become a colossal tragedy for democracy in India. For example, the Bhima Koregaon 11 have spent many decades defending India's millions who live in abject poverty and vulnerable to all forms of stigma and violence. They have fought all their lives for the freedoms that are enshrined in the Indian Constitution. And the students who now join them in prison are some of the finest examples of young citizens who dare to preserve what is central to all democracies, the right to dissent. Their work and lives bear testimony against the immorality of the systemic and situational violence perpetrated in India today, the violence of development policies, the violence of casteism against Dalits and Adivasis, violence against religious minorities, the violence of patriarchy against women, violence of capitalism against workers, the violence of educational institutions against freedom of thought, and the violence of ultranationalism against those seeking a life of freedom and choice. If this is not enough, all of those arrested face the ravages of COVID-19, which has fast spread within Indian jails. Many of them are extremely vulnerable due to age and pre-existing conditions. What does it mean then for a country to put such individuals in jail and to leave them intentionally exposed to COVID virus in the jails? What else is this but intellectual bankruptcy, moral degeneracy, and political repression of citizens demanding social justice and sound governance? What else is it but a textbook ploy by a repressive regime spiraling into a fascist rule? We, the international communities that oppose fascism, will never cease to fight for the release of people who have been denied their basic constitutional rights, booked under fabricated cases such as Bhima Koregaon, aided by laws such as the UAPA, which is now widely recognized by a vast cross-section of Indian and international scholarly and legal community and public opinion as inherently draconian. We urge the international social justice communities to take immediate and urgent note of India's rapid descent into fascist rule and to defend democracy and the rule of justice. Jai Bhim.